Hey everybody, so today we have another tree that came in the mail today, and this is from groworganic.com. So this tree is a pluot tree, um, and it's a cross between a plum and an apricot. So the company is from California, and this is my first order with them ever. I wanted the tree. It had good reviews. So let's open it up and see what's inside and how it looks. Okay, so right away, it looks like a big healthy tree. I'm looking at the stem and the trunk. Look at this. Wow. Okay, just to fill you guys in, it was supposed to be a 3-in-1, but I'm seeing 4 trunks here. So we're gonna read these tags and see what it say. All right, let's start with this one. This is a Flavor Supreme Pluot. This is a Flavor King Pluot. Man, if they gave me all 4 of the varieties, that'll be great. Because it's supposed to be a 3-in-1, but you know, they give you like the 4 options that you can get with it. This is the Dapple Dandy Pluot. And what's this one? And this is the Flavor Queen. Ooh, wow. They gave me all 4 varieties. That's so awesome. Wow. So like I said, guys, the internet, their website says you get 4 it could be 4 varieties, right? And they're gonna pick 3, right? So I got all 4. I'm super excited. My husband's gonna be happy. He's not here. I got this tree for him. So we got all 4. That's awesome. So it looks like they put sawdust around the roots. Look how big this trunk is. This is a big healthy tree. But they got sawdust around the roots, so we're gonna get this planted ASAP. All the way from California. It must be needing some water by now. So hold tight, guys. I'll be back. Okay, so I just put all the soil and everything I need to plant this tree in the pot here. And you know, I go for the barrel style because right now that's convenient for me. It's wide and it's a good depth also, so that's what I'm using for the most part. All of my trees, as you can see, have that barrel pot design, except for those 2 cream ones. But and these 2 green ones here, these are the new berries I just got. But I'm gonna mix this around, and then we're gonna add the tree, and I'll show you guys how it look straight out the bag. This is it right here on the floor, on the ground still, in the bag. I'm gonna take it out now so you guys can see. Okay, so I untied the bag. We're gonna take this out now. Take off some of the sawdust. We don't need that. Not sure if it's beneficial or not, but all right, see, look at that. Big roots, big humongous roots, big thick trunk. You can see how healthy it is. Hopefully it will perform good for us. Now, I put Half of this pot is filled with the Georgia red dirt, as normal. The Georgia red dirt, the compost and manure pine bark mix that I normally use, the Miracle Grow soil, and this time I put a little bit of cow manure. So I'm gonna put some more of that mix on the top part of this tree, and then I'll get back to you guys. We need to bury this and water it in. I'm losing light here, so yeah, it's that time of the year. I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done. I buried the roots and I put my mulch on top and I watered it in. You can see here I have all 4 varieties, you guys. I'm so soup. And I didn't read the pink tag. This one says that it's a citation hybrid rootstock, dwarf peaches and nectarines, 8 to 14 feet. So, you know, that's the rootstock citation. That's what it says. I don't know anything about rootstocks, so excuse me guys if I'm not saying something right, but that's what the tags say. But anyway, I got all 4 varieties. The website offers 3 and I got 4. So thank you, Grow Organic. But anyway, we're done here. I'm losing light. This mulch I'm using is pine bark mini nuggets, and the brand is Evergreen. It's the same brand as the compost and manure that I was using earlier in the white bag. So apparently they make mulch too, which is awesome. So we're done here, guys. This is my Pluot tree, and again I have a Dapple Dandy Pluot, a Flavor Supreme. Getting cold out here too. This is a Flavor King, and the last one is a Flavor Queen. So thank you guys for watching. This is my Pluot tree, and this is my unboxing today, guys. 3rd unboxing to be specific. Have a good day.